Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to bring you some projects with items that I received from Globleland. This is the third video in this series. I'm part of their YouTube program where I get to go on their website and choose some items. They send them to me for free, and I bring some videos to you. They sent me a coupon code. It is Johnson5, Johnsson, and the number 5. And that will give you $5 off of your $40 order. All of the links will be in the description box below. The first item that I will be using today are these sunflower clear acrylic stamps. You get this whole stamp set, and it also comes with the dies to cut out the shapes. So we have the big floral die, which cuts out that one. We have these two. The larger one will cut that one, and the smaller one will cut that one. We have this piece, which cuts out those flowers. This one here, which cuts out those words. We have the leaves. And then two smaller ones for these smaller flowers there. So that's what this set comes with. And I went ahead and stamped it all, colored it, and made a card. And here is what we have. I used this large stamp here, along with this die to cut out the flower. I stamped them on just scrap white cardstock, and then I colored them in with markers. I used this one here with this die cut to cut those flowers out. I used this sentiment here. To everything there is a season, and then I used two of the leaves, one of each size, and tucked them behind there. I had this piece of scrap paper background in my stash. It had these leaves up here. I thought it looked really cool. And then this piece of gold ribbon that I had. And I went ahead and used a Clear Star glitter pen and added just a little bit of glitter. You can see it there to the center of the flower and to those flowers. So that made a really pretty card, and it was super easy and simple to do. You don't have to do any fussy cutting because the dies do all that work for you. And I used card weight based white cardstock, and they all cut really easily with these die cuts. And then the second set of dies that I used today are these Four Seasons house dies, or at least that's what I call them. It comes with all of the pieces you need to make the house. We have, of course, the house background, and it has the bricks that emboss onto the house. You can see how it cuts out there. I'm not sure if you can see the embossing. It's probably not showing up very good. You can kind of see it there. So that cuts that out. And then you get some other pieces for the house. You get this window die. You get these two pieces for the roof. You get one long piece that goes across there. There are two smaller windows, the chimney, and the door. So I kind of set mine up like this. That's kind of how they all fit together. This piece I used here to make the roof between the first and the second story. And then these two pieces, I put one on each side of the roof there, like your gutters. Here is a darker one that I cut out. Oh, there you go. You can see much better the bricks. And here's what these pieces would look like on this darker one. I think they'll show up a little bit better. And you can cut the windows out of any color that you would like, a coordinating color. And then you could put together your little house. Here we have the tree trunk by itself. And if you leave it alone, it makes a spooky tree. Or you can cut out this shape in green leaves and place it over top, and you can make a tree for all the seasons. It also comes with these little flowers, which you can decorate your tree with. It comes with these little apples for the fall. It comes with a circle, a moon, and a star, and the circle could be used as a full moon, a sun, or just decorations on your tree. So that is this set with the tree, and that's kind of where I get the 4 seasons from. You can make a winter tree. You can even do this probably in white and make it look like snow. And the other tree it comes with are these palm trees, or this palm tree. You have your trunk, and then you have your leaves, which go on top. It also comes with coconuts that you can cut out, just little circles to put on the tree. And it comes with this 2-piece hammock. So if you cut out 2 trees, you can hang the hammock in between. So I cut the hammock out in brown, and then the top piece in this yellow color, and you can see what it looks like when it is put together. So let me show you the projects that I made using these dies. The first one is a house that I made on the beach using 2 of the palm trees. I cut out some coconuts, and then I just used colored pencil to make a little bit of grass, sand, water, and sky. I cut the house out in light blue, and the windows and door and everything in kind of a silvery paper. And I used my colored pencil to darken the window panes a little bit. Cut my chimney to match the house. So there we have what I would consider a summer card. And then we have spring. And I went ahead and made a yellow house because yellow is a fun spring color. I did the tree with kind of a light trunk, a light green leaves, and some pink flowers. I put a sun up in the sky, and I used a white cardstock to cut the windows out. And then we have fall. I made a red house because it kind of reminded me of a schoolhouse, kind of a back to school. And I did the windows with just plain white cardstock. Again, I put a sun in the sky, and I put some apples on the tree, and I put 2 apples on the ground as well. And then I made a Halloween one because I wanted to use the spooky tree. I used a dark brown, almost a black, to cut out the tree, and I left it without any leaves on it. And then I used the moon, and it does come with a little bat die as well. So I cut out 3 bats and put them on top, one kind of flying over the moon. I forgot to show you the bat die. It's probably still in the package. And then I did yellow windows, and I used a little bit of a black pencil to kind of darken the inside of the windows. Those dies do emboss those. They don't cut out the little squares inside the window panes. So you can color them any color you like. So there is that. So those are the 4 cards that I made using this die set. It was so much fun to use. The possibilities are endless. You can do so many things with these dies. I hope you enjoyed these projects that I brought to you today. I will put links to all of the dies in the description box below, along with my coupon code. And please do use the links I provide so that way Globleland will know that I sent you. If you have a YouTube channel with 100 or more subscribers, you might want to check them out and check into their YouTube program for you. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified when I upload more videos. If you like what you see, please do give it a thumbs up, and please leave me a comment below letting me know which card is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.